Hello, students. Good morning. Hope you all are good and enjoying your time. Today, we will learn SST lesson number 7. Before telling you the name, I wanted to show you some pictures. Tell me, what kind of pictures is this? Yes, this is a bird. Now children, observe the picture and see the difference in each. Now see in this picture. A has colored bird, but the picture B do not have any color. A has a red beak. उसकी चोंच लाल रंग की है. But the another one do not have any color. Bird A has detailed tail, but bird B do not have any detailing about the tail. A has eyes, but B has only impression. No eyeball is showing. So children, the colored bird is showing you the detailed features like eyes, beak and the color. Whereas the uncolored bird is not showing you the features at all in the detail. Similarly is the case children with the map and globe. Map will give you every single detail about particular things and places. But the globe is just a miniature model of the earth. यह अर्थ का एक तरह का छोटा सा मॉडल है. It will give you the idea about the place where it is located. It will not give you detail about everything. Hope you all understood the name of the lesson? Yes, it's lesson number 7, Globe and Map. Let us come together to know more about it. Now we will learn about globe. Children, as I told you before, the globe is a miniature model of the earth. It looks like a ball. When we look at a globe, we can actually see the way the world looks. It has a fixed stand, which is in tilt position as the axis of the earth. It shows the location of places, continents and oceans, जैसे कि हमारे real world में है. Now let us know about imaginary lines. This called equator. The line which is drawn on the earth, see? This line divides the globe into two parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Hemisphere means half circle. Children, the line which is horizontally drawn on the earth is known as latitude, and the line which is vertically drawn on the earth is longitudes. These lines helps us to locate places on globe accurately, and this also helps us to know about the directions. Children, now we will learn about map. Do you know that a globe is too small to show all the places on the earth in detail, and इसे कैरी करना, अपने साथ लेकर जाना भी थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट होता है. A map is a representation of the earth on a flat surface. It has different scale and chosen symbols or keys. Maps are made in different sizes, which can be hung on the wall or kept folded. There are different kinds of map, which helps us to learn about physical features, political divisions, weather, climate, agriculture, industries, minerals and many more. There is one book which is known as Atlas, जहाँ different types के maps होते हैं and जो map बनाता है उसे cartographer कहते हैं. Now let us see what are color keys. It helps us to study various features of Earth, to explain about height and depth of seas, land and oceans. There are different kind of colors to represent different things. Blue represents ocean, brown represents mountain, orange or yellow represents glacier, green represents plains and plants. Let's recall what we have learnt in this lesson. Globe is a miniature model of Earth. Equator divides the globe equally. Maps are representation of Earth on a flat surface. Atlas is a book of maps. Cartographer makes map. Color keys are used to give details. Hope you all understood this lesson. Have a good day.